Hari Om everyone. I hope everybody is all energized and charged up from your last session. Now we're going to have a really fun event. Okay, we're going to have this quiz, and I want everyone to sit straight, and I want everyone to have a pen and paper with them. Okay, has everyone has a pen and paper with them? Just show me this if you have. Okay, so that I know. Okay. Okay, so now that you're ready with your pen and paper, we'll start with the game. Okay, the name of the game is क्या आप अपने कृष्णा को जानते हो? Okay, so now in this game, for every right answer from a particular slide, you will be giving yourself a tick mark. Okay, for every correct answer from a single slide. And by the end of the quiz, we'll get to know how close you are to Lord Krishna. Okay, so let's start with the game. क्या आप अपनी कृष्णा को जानते हो? First question for the first round on your screen. Write down. Get ready. Okay. The name of the first round is Know Your Krishna. In this round, you'll be given some few questions regarding Krishna. They are very simple. They are the basic questions. The first question on your screen is, what is Lord Krishna's favorite food? The options are option number A, pizza. Option number B, makhan. Option number C, dosa. And option number D, burger. Your time starts now. Quickly write the name of the option. Don't write the whole answer, just write the name of the option. Time up, and the correct answer is makhan. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The next question is, when was Lord Krishna born and where was he born? Your options are jail, hospital, jungle and house. And your time starts now. Quickly. Just write the option number. A, jail, B, hospital, C, jungle and D, house. And your time is up. The correct answer is jail. Okay? Next question on your screen now. Lord Krishna is an avatar of which Lord? Your options are Lord Shiva, option number B, Lord Vishnu, and option number C, Lord Brahma. And your time starts now. Quickly write just the option number. And if you have written the correct option, give yourself a tick. The correct answer is Lord Vishnu. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. Now that we know that Lord Krishna is an avatar of Lord Vishnu, the next question is, which avatar? Is it the third avatar? Is it the fifth avatar? Or is it eighth? Or the last option, is it the ninth? And your time starts now. Option number A, third. Option number B, fifth. Option number C, eighth. And option number D is ninth. Quickly. The correct answer is Lord Krishna is the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. The annual celebration of Lord Krishna's birthday is known as, is it option number A, Rasa Purnima, option number B, Janmashtami, or option number C, Holi Festival? Your time starts now. The correct answer is Janmashtami. The annual celebration of Lord Krishna's birthday is known as Janmashtami. Next question on your screen right now. Janmashtami celebration, or as we know Gokulashtami in Maharashtra, is popularly known as, the options are Krishna Janmashtami, option number B Nandotsav, option number C Dahi Handi, and option number D Govinda. Your time starts now. Be quick, just write the option number. And if you have written the correct option, just give yourself a tick mark. The correct option is option number C, Dahi Handi. Okay? Congratulations! Now we have crossed the first level. That is, we are all Salokya now. Okay? That is, Krishna is with you. Krishna is with all of us. Can we move on to the second round now? Okay? Second round on your screen right now. I want everybody to be very alert with their pens and paper. You cannot miss this. Okay? Now round number 2 is Krishna facts. Okay? These are little incidents of his life, and there are simple questions. You'll be given options. You have to just select the correct option. Next question on your screen. Now, we have the first activity in this. As we all know, Krishna had a lot of incidents in his life. We now have to make sure that we arrange the proper sequence, okay, in the order that it took place. For example, if we have an incident when he was a little child, and then we have an incident where he was a teenager, and then we have an incident of him being an adult, we have to make sure that we go from the childhood to the teenagers to the adult life. Okay? First question is on your screen. So in this, we have 4 different incidents. Okay? A option is when he killed Kamsa. B is when he defeated the Kalyanag. C is when he married Rukmini Devi. And D is when he lifted the Govardhan Parvat. Now, in the time that is being allotted to you, you have to make sure that you arrange it properly. Okay? Just write the option number according to the events that took place. Your time starts now. Write the first letter that comes to your mind, which would have taken place, and then the second one, then the third one, and the fourth one. The correct sequence is, first, Lord Krishna defeated the Kalyanag. Second, he lifted the Govardhan Parvat. Third, he killed Kamsa. And lastly, he married Rukmini Devi. Okay? Now we have another set of incidents that took place in his life, and I want you all to arrange it as well. Okay? Second set of incidents on your screen. First is the Ras Leela. Second is him showing the entire universe to Ma Yashoda. Third is him breaking the Lord Shiva's bow, which was kept for the yajna. And lastly, liberating Kubera's son from Narad Muni's purse. Look at all the pictures carefully and arrange it in the sequence that it took place. Okay? Your time starts now. Your time's up, and let's look at the correct sequence of the events. The first one is when Lord showed the entire universe to Ma Yashoda. Then he went on to liberate the two Kubera's sons from Narad Muni's curse. Then he did Rasa Leela, and lastly he broke Lord Shiva's bow, which was kept for the yajna. If you have written the same sequence, give yourself a tick. If not, just leave it. Okay? And if you have any queries regarding the answers, you can show that to your respective sevikas from your Bal Vihar class. Okay? Now, in this round, I want everyone to look at the picture very carefully. Okay? Notice everything that is about Krishna in this picture, in, around him, his features. Look at everything very clearly and you have to remember that. Okay? So I'm going to allot you some time, and in that time, just carefully look at the picture. And your time's up. Now, remember that picture very carefully and think of it when you look at these questions. Now, the first question is, what was the color of Krishna's dhoti? What was in Krishna's hands? Third is, what was decorating Krishna's head? And which was the animal which was seen in the picture? Your time, fill the boxes, okay, in your paper. Your time starts now. Just write the name. And your time's up. The answer was, Krishna's dhoti's color was yellow. What was in his hand? It was his flute. The thing that was decorating his head was the peacock feather. And the animal which was in the picture was cow. If you have written all correct answers, just give yourself one whole tick mark. Don't give 4 different tick marks, okay? Just one full tick mark. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. In this round, we have to guess the different characters from Krishna's life based on the description that we give. You know, Krishna had a lot of characters around him, you know, his brother, sister. So now we will give you a specific description of a specific character and you have to guess the name of the character. Okay? Next question on your screen right now. Okay. So the description goes, I am Krishna's villain mama. I am the king of Mathura. My name too starts with a K. Who am I? And your time starts now. The answer is Kamsa. Kamsa was the Krishna's villain mama. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. I am a demon. I came in the form of a stork to kill Krishna. Guess who am I? Your options are Trinavarta, Dhenukasura, Putana, and the last option is Bakasura. Your time starts now. And your time's up. The demon's name was Bakasura. If you've written it correctly, give yourself a tick. Okay. Next, move on to the next question. Now, This question belongs to those people who are very close to Krishna. Okay, it was his family or very close friends, and you have to name them. Okay, the questions are: who was Krishna's brother? Who was Krishna's sister? Who was his childhood friend? And who was his guru? And your time starts now. Think carefully about who was his beloved brother and sister, his childhood friend, and also his guru. And your time's up. His brother's name was Balarama. His sister's name was Subhadra. His childhood friend was Sudama. And his guru was Rishi Sandipani. Okay? Now Rishi Sandipani was the teacher of Balaram as well as Krishna. Okay? So now let's move on to the next question. Now look at this picture very carefully, okay? This is a picture of baby Krishna. I want you all to carefully look at it and answer the question. Now, firstly, name the snake who is protecting baby Krishna from the heavy rain. Next, you have to name the person who is carrying baby Krishna on his head. And lastly, the name of the river. Okay? Your time starts now. And your time's up. The snake who is protecting baby Krishna, his name is Lord Sheshnag. The person who is carrying Lord Krishna is his father Vasudev. And the name of the river is Yamuna. Okay? If you have written all the 3 correct answers, give yourself a single tick mark. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. Now, before we move on to the next round, we have a few activities, okay? We'll have this musty time. So there are a few activities, there are a few games. I want everyone to pay attention to it, okay? The first activity on your screen, okay. Now, look at both the pictures very carefully. Come near to the screen, look at it very carefully with your sharp eagle eyes, okay? And now, I want you all to spot the 6 differences between both the pictures. Okay? दूर से तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि दोनों सेम है, ठीक है? लेकिन पास आके देखना एकदम अच्छे से. And your time starts now. And circle the differences that you see. Okay. So let's look at the 6 differences. Okay. So we see the first difference is the plant that was there. The second difference is his necklace. Third is the color of the lotus. Fourth is the bird. And fifth is the butterfly. And sixth is the peacock. Okay? If you've written all the correct differences, give yourself a huge tick mark. Okay? Next, let's move on to the next activity. Now, we see a lot of Krishnas in this photo, you know, a lot of them. I want you all to correctly count each and every one and write the number in your page, okay? And your time starts now. Count properly, okay? Don't miss out on any Krishna. Time's up, everyone. Now, see, leftmost is the first one. Then we have a second one, a third, and a fourth, and a fifth, sixth, seventh, and the last one, which is the eighth one. Okay? If you've made sure that you've marked all the 8 of them, give yourself a huge tick. Okay, now this is a tricky one. You have a lot of letters in it. We have a lot of letters in it. Now you have to come a little close to the screen and you have to make sure that you find at least 6 different names of Lord Krishna, okay? Least is 6. You can find a little more if you want to, but in the time allotted, I want everyone to find at least 6 different names of Krishna. Okay? Your time starts now. And write the names that you find. Quickly, you don't have much time left, okay? Quickly find. And your time's up. Now let's look at the different names. We have got the first one, which is Rishikesh. Second is Murlidhara. Third is Achyuta. Fourth is Mukunda. Fifth is Govinda. Sixth is Damodara. Seventh is Madhava. And the last one is Madhusudana. So, you know the rule. If you've got everything correct, give yourself a huge tick mark. Okay? Let's move on to the next round. So, give yourself a big round of applause. You've reached the second level of Krishna friendship. You've become Samipya now. That is, Krishna is close to you. Okay?